Hello guys and welcome back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
Today we unboxing a soldering iron portable.
Yeah, no wires, no nothing.
Here it is. So let's go to the unboxing.
Let's go. Oops. Instruction book. No idea. It's got its little...
Base.
Yes, that. Thank you, Dee. The actual machine. And...
A custom USB-C wire.
yes, so you can charge it. And it's got a little extra with it. Except the... oh, now I know what that is.
This is leaded soldering.
Yes, soldering,
Yeah.
yeah.
It should be somewhere inside that paper.
The axle, yeah.
A sponge. Because you need a sponge to clean the bit. I don't know why Zoe wants to
Open everything.
not open everything, make everything not be able to close again.
Because we got it and that's it.
Alright, it looks like I'm gonna tell you guys, it looks like a bolt.
It does actually.
Don't know if you can see. You see this? Looks like a bolt that you tied on this.
Yeah.
So we haven't charged the device. We don't know anything about it yet. But it says that it can solder for quite some time. And it has a Li-on technology battery inside. So we have something to desolder and solder. But I would like to see how long it takes to charge, because we don't know if it has any charge inside.
So for this, we need to put some water in here and let's put our little sponge in there to soak up the water. So let's go and do that. So we've got our water here and we just place our sponge in. My God, that's fast.
You see that the sponge, it's expanded.
It has expanded quite a lot.
So you touch the nose, we will show you when we gonna use the device, but you touch the tip when it's with the debris on this,
And
like
you just
this,
wipe it on it.
and you wipe it on it. If you use it without, you're just gonna burn the sponge.
Well,
okay?
yeah.
And of course they supplied some lead solder, so you can use it. It says that it can work for half an hour in total, but there is indication on the device that is getting low on battery, so the device is charged. So we explained that you just screw it, it's like a small lamp, the head of the...
You just hand tight it.
You hand tight it. You can store it when you work with it base. Basically, it sits there. So Zoe is gonna show you now how you turn it on. Basically, you lift it up and you hold for 4 seconds and it's gonna start warming up. As you see, it has a light in front of it. I think you just press the button. No, you don't. So press it again. So we try to turn on the device. It doesn't want to turn on. So it looks like we have a defective
Product.
So sorry guys, we can
We will actually take it back and see about it has warranty.
If it has warranty, if they have in stock.
Yeah, it is in warranty because we very recently bought it, so there's no way of not being in warranty, never been used. So we will go back with our receipt and we will let you know.
Alright.